And in the blue corner, representing Lebanon.
Chin down, Sam, chin down. Chin down. For that right hand. Work him, work him, work him. Go back to the cage, gotta stand up. Get yourself back to the cage. That's it, work yourself to standing. Back to the cage, get up. Hands up, chin down. Grab that leg, he's being lazy with it. Where's your jab, Sam? Sam, stick the jab in his face. He's looking for that counter hook, stick it in his face.
1 minute हो गया.
Double up on it. Throw that right hand, throw that right hand. Set up the jab, use the overhand right. The overhand right's there, he's wide open. Where's the overhand right? Not onesie twosie, you need volume, Sam, you need volume. He's looking at that big punch and you gotta use volume. Knee, knee, knee. Work that knee. Knee is leg, knee is leg. Crossface, Sam, crossface.
2 minute हो गया.
That's it. Pull guard, pull it,
Last
pull
minute,
it,
Sammy,
pull it.
last minute. Last minute.
Pull the guard. Set it up, pull it. Knees, start kneeing him, kneeing him. Work that knee in. Work the knee, Sam. Volume. Keep working it. Dig it again, dig it again. Dig the knee. Get that crossface, get that crossface. Push him up against cage and knee. Set up the knee and drive it. Set the knee. There we go. Spin him out, put him in the cage. Knee. Every time you get free space, you should knee him.
For your unbiased decision.
10 seconds, dude.
10 seconds. Sam, volume. Throw your right. Stick that jab in his face. You gotta get back, you gotta get back. Close your guard, close your guard. Get up on top. Start punching, you need to punch from here. You need to get some punches. Make sure you keep position. He's gonna try to roll you. Make it, get your hips down, keep your hips down. Keep punching, keep punching. Work your knee, work your knee. You gotta recover guard. Watch the mount, he's trying to bring the knee over. You gotta buck heavy. Buck heavy, buck heavy. Buck heavy. Buck heavy. Go out the back door, go. Don't let him get position. 10 seconds. Get that, make sure you get the buck.
Take 那风跟天那风跟枪，天那头骨那个背。